What's going on, everybody? The Feferman family. We are at the Cox Science Center in West Palm Beach, Florida. Science Center and Aquarium for some jam-packed fun. It is 100 degrees with the humidex, so we got to plan accordingly. Let's go in and take a look.
Look on the website because it says that if your child got an A in science, they get in for free. So I screenshotted Shai's report card, and alas, we got in for free. And then Ben was like, can all of them get in for free? And he was like, do they all do well in science? And we said, yes, they do. So guess what? They all got in for free.
Can Johnny figure it out? Can he get the ring out from the horseshoes?
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
And that's a wrap for Cox Science Center and Aquarium. A very solid place, good for an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe, you know, for kids kind of 10 and under. Overall, pretty good. All right, we're at Phipps Ocean Park in Palm Beach. Gorgeous here, wow. We're just here to take a quick little dip, and it is absolutely amazing. What can I say? Honestly, we didn't think we would all go in the water, but it is so incredibly warm. It's probably like low to mid 80s. So clear, so nice. Palm Beach, baby. What else can you say? Ready, Bucks? We got hooked up to come and swim in this beautiful pool here. Gorgeous. In the middle of Delray. Not in the middle, Delray right by the beach. Shai is here. Everyone's chilling. So nice. The water is like, the water's high 80s. Yeah. That's it. I think we're gonna end. I think we're gonna end the video. I'm Boca Ben. Don't forget to like and subscribe.